This is our adventure to a food truck. Most people back there got stuck. This is a documentary about Houston. Here we see a wild Houston, his natural habitat.
Houston lost in ass land. Houston is lost.
Here we see the wild Houston looking for prey.
I am about to eat reindeer. Help me. In a shipping container. Oh my god.
Hey, a shipping container. Ooh.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
He's been recording for the past hour and a half. It is hot out in Alaska.
Here we are. Here we can see the wild SLC. Or finding their prey.
Okay, are you guys looking at?
Well, now, Corinne, what? What are you gonna say?
Look at the menu to see if you want to eat here.
Is there other places you can eat?
Not really.
By the way, I am recording if you want to see. So. I am cold. My hands are getting cold. Ooh. This is Anthony.
This is Jocquin.
Ow! That's Houston. You might know him. I don't know.
I opened my third eye today.
Why are you always staring at me? Jack, you could just...
Wave.
They are now. Congratulations.
I wish you didn't put the sauce on the bun.
I know, that's what I said. I was like, it looks cool, but it's not very nice.
Very picture it out.
Is that street effect?
Yeah.
It's also
Is that how it works?
Yeah. That's the real deal hot dog.
Yeah. They're fake glasses.
As you can see, the shipping containers.
I ain't even taking a video. Really, Caitlyn?
You actually want a shot like that?